Here is exactly how to make a woman like you. It is not what most men think. Most men have been taught to believe that the way to make a woman like you is to be impressive. They think that by having a lot of money, a high status job, a nice car, nice jewelry, nice clothing, being in tip-top shape, impressing a woman is what makes her like you. They've also been taught that by being extra chivalrous and gentlemanly will make a woman like you. And none of those things are exactly true. Now, all of those things are beneficial. They are all qualities that women appreciate in a man. But here is exactly how you can make a woman like you. And I mean, let's say a woman saw you and maybe you're not exactly her type. You're not the height. You don't have the exact physique she would say she would like, or car, or etc. Here is how you can actually use the psychological understanding of women and feminine energy to make a woman, or women in general, like you. Most men, because of how they've been taught, approach their meeting and interaction with women from a self-conscious frame of mind. They're worried about how the woman perceives them. They're worried about getting the woman to value them and hold them in high esteem. That shouldn't be your concern. Number one, as a man, you should already be complete. You should already know your value, have a high level of self-confidence and self-esteem, and you should already be content within yourself. You should be complete. Therefore, you shouldn't be looking for women to give you validation, approval, or acceptance. What you should be doing is understanding that a woman is seeking those things from you. Instead of approaching a conversation or interaction with a woman from the standpoint of selling yourself and promoting yourself and trying to create a narrative of who you are in her mind that she's gonna hold in high regard, you should place all that attention and focus on her. You should get to know her as deeply as possible. Your conversation should be revolving around her, getting to know her past, present, and future, her traumas from the past, impactful experiences, anxieties, fears, worries, concerns, hopes, dreams, and aspirations. The more you can get to know a woman, the more or the better you will be able to validate, approve of, and give attention and praise to the right things, and then bring into question, potentially offer advice or leadership on the areas where there's an opportunity for growth within herself. Most importantly, you need to see who a woman really is. It is the most charming thing that you can do, and it is the thing that women, whether they know it or not, appreciate the most in a man. One of the best compliments that you can receive from a woman, which she'll almost never say to you, she's likely to say it to her friends, mom, or others. It's like, he just pays so much attention to me and sees me really well. He understands me. That is how you make a woman like you. It is actually by them opening up and expressing themselves, their mind, their emotions, their spirit. It is by them opening up to you that they feel a connection and they feel a closeness. That is how you make a woman like you. If you want more advice to improve your dating and relationship experience, I want you to comment the word date on this video, and I will reach out directly to you so we can schedule a clarity call to discuss where you're currently at in your dating and relationship life, as well as your desired outcomes and a potential strategy for how you could achieve what you want. Just comment the word date.